What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about some stocks to watch as they are entering a buy zone, and it may be time for you to pounce very soon. Okay, but hey guys, listen, if I helped y'all in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, another day is in the books, man, to kick off this holiday weekend. It's going to be a short week this week, and so if you are playing the market this week, you got to be on your A game, okay? And what that means is this. I'm going to go through an example, guys, that's a microcosm of what you can expect on this week, okay? Listen, guys, we had a market sell-off towards the end of the day today, okay? And so you have to be prepared on all fronts, okay? Nothing in the market will ever run up forever. It will never run up without coming back down, and so you have to account for that in your trading strategy, okay? Let's take a look at that before we dive into some of the things on the day that I want to talk to you about in terms of stocks to watch, or at least put on your watch list, okay? Ticker symbol TSLA gets the nod for today's teaching moment, guys. Class is in session. I'm going to show you something that I want you guys to be very mindful of in terms of if you are trading, if you are trying to get in and get out of your positions, okay? Check this out, guys. I'm going to use this graph to kind of illustrate why it's important for you to have an exit plan, meaning know where you want to lock in profits at if you are trading and trying to make money in a more shorter span period, okay? Check this out. If I take this right here, and if we go right here at 9:35, Tesla was 11.87, okay? But by 10:45, it was 11.97, okay? Now look at this, guys. From 10:45, that may have served as a mark where some people, whoever know how to play the market in the first hour and 2 hours of the day, this might have been a profit taking opportunity. Watch this. The next 10:45 all the way down 11:45, that's an hour. So for the next hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes, it came down. Unless you knew to do a put right here. Now I'm using this, but this was consistent with the S&P 500. This is what your Russell 2000 chart looked like. This is what your AMC chart looked like. This is what your Apple looked like. All the stocks kind of mimic the same behavior today, but this is why you guys have to have a plan. Now look at this in terms of buying the dip. Somebody who's patient could have said, you know what, it's 12:05. I kind of watched the first half of the market, what it did today. Now it's game time. I'm gonna jump in, I'm gonna buy this dip. If you were to do that, you got it in at 11:45, you had a chance to see it run up here to 11.80. If you held a little longer, you would have seen it dipped, but then still went back to 11.83. It made another sell-off. I always tell you about that W. Check out that W you guys see there. It went back down around 155, but into 2 o'clock, it made a run, and it went back up to the level of 11.88, okay? Before that 3 o'clock sell-off that took Tesla all the way back down and had it barely up over 1.5% on today, when it really had moments of being up over 4.5%, as well as over 5% on the day. Now these is just some game. These is just some things to kind of make note of on your own journey, okay? Now within all of this, you could have made money on the way up, you could have made money on the way down, okay? That's the ultimate level I want to see you guys get to. That's the ultimate level I want to help you guys get to, so that you know how to play both, okay? It's about getting in, getting out, and not overstaying your welcome. Let me know, like I say each and every video, if you guys made money on the day, if you guys were able to get in and get out smoothly in some of your trades on today, okay? Today, plays did their thing, but it's up to you on whether or not you capitalize on it, okay? Let me know down in the comments below. Regardless, I want to hear it all, okay? Now on to a few plays that must be on your watch list, guys. Check it out. Ticker symbol SQ, sitting at $211.32. Check this out, guys. It came down as low as 206, 205 range on today. We love to see it, guys. Listen, fintech in general, meaning PayPal, Square, all those financial type of plays all begin to sell off today. Something to be mindful of, okay? But if you like these companies, if you believe in them longer term, this is a great sign. But the reason why I'm making this video today is because I want you to watch it just in case, instead of trying to buy here at 206, you can nibble. We can always nibble, but never establish your full position. Never put all your money in at one time, okay? But I'm making this video today because if this falls to 200 or below, say 195, say 187, this is a steal, and you have a setup for a money-making play going into 2022. So I'm putting this on your watch list right now because, guys, you can't pass up on quality companies that have came down 16% in the last month, 8% in the last week, 22% in the last 3 months. Now, this stock did its thing, so don't look at it negatively. It's just a reminder that things run up, then they come back down. This is the back down period where you can get in this if you missed it the first time. This was one of our plays, and now you can get it potentially at this level, preferably below like 195, 185, and then ride it back up to these awesome levels that we seen it hit today, 266 and above, okay? Another one for you guys is PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. Okay, now you don't need both. You can pick one or the other. If you favor one or the other, if you use one or the other, that could be the determining factor for some of you, okay? But check this out. PayPal currently sitting at $189. I said that I think this will go to 190, okay? Look at this, sitting at 189.51. But look at this, it came as low as 184. Now this is when it gets real attractive, but now you want to see. You saw it bounce off this. Look at this. It hit 184, then boom, shot up and went all the way back up to 192. Okay, that's something that you want to pay attention to in terms of just seeing where the buyers step back in at to run this back up. 184. So you should tell yourself, if I'm considering PayPal over Square, let me look at it at 185 or below potentially if I want to get into this. Okay, guys, it's important that you know at least some small technical levels to consider getting your position established at, and then be ready for if they go lower to kind of build out and complete your position, okay? PayPal is one you don't want to sleep on. Them as well as Square will do extremely well moving forward. You just have to kind of wait for buying opportunities for these runners to get back in. Look at this, down 11% on the week, down 25.5% on the past month, and down 32% in the past 3 months. This is buy zone territory. These are buying opportunities, okay? If you at least want to take a flyer on them to see what you can do in terms of being back in these when they run back up, okay? And last but not least is Palantir, guys, ticker symbol PLTR. I love to see it. Check this out, guys. It's sitting at $20.60, down another 3.5% on the day. It is slowly making its way down to that $18 to $20 range that we like it at, okay? We already know what this play can do to the upside, but every play, no matter what it is, must come down and build back up momentum to go back up, okay? Let things run its course and understand the cycles of the stock market so you're not getting overwhelmed. You're not refusing to lock in profits when you're sitting way up here and making a bunch of money, and these plays are up 40% plus and you didn't do anything, and now they're coming back down, okay? This is, again, for you new and beginning investors, this is something to make note of. You are seeing these plays ran up, these plays ran down. ChargePoint was a great example. Now we have Palantir coming back down, okay? They're just trading places, so to speak, but let's eat off of it all, okay? This one is sitting at $20.50. Please begin to nibble and build out your position, okay? I want to see you guys do your thing in this, okay? I want to see you guys start to build out your position. but we're looking for $18. That's why I want it on your watch list, because we are looking for that 18, 19 range, because we love it at 20, but we love it even more at 19 or 18, okay? That's the name of the game. That's how you get the best bang for your buck, okay? And then really quickly, guys, just to close out today, Draftkings, okay? This is a play I told you guys to load up on yesterday because it's in a buy zone. But check out what happened. Now this play it was a great example. I could have used this over Tesla or alongside Tesla. But look at the chart. It's the same exact thing, guys. It ran up as high as 37. Okay, and I had just been stressing, get this at 36, get this at 35. But then, guys, it fell all the way to 35.98 level, not 35.96. But then look, you can tell 35. Remember, that's where we hit the home run at 35 to 72. Everybody stepped in to buy this, and then it ran back up all the way to 3 o'clock, back to 37.40. Pay attention to the ranges you see. 35.98, 37.40. That's something to make a note of, those for my note takers, okay? But then at 3 o'clock, we have the market-wide sell-off, okay? This is nobody's doing. This is not your fault. This is not anybody's fault. The market sold off, so that's something to be mindful of. Will the sell-off continue? Will you get some more future buying opportunities as all of these plays kind of went down to close out the day? That's why you got to get in and get out. That's why you have to lock in profits. That's why you have to know your exit, not overstay your welcome, and damn sure don't be greedy, guys. Listen, I hope this video was helpful today. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.